Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your broken tools. So, did your favorite iron axe snap right in the middle of a farming run? Don't throw it away. Learning how you can repair your gear is essential to save your hard coins and also keeping your resource gathering efficient. And in here, I'm going to show you the easiest way to restore your tools to 100% durability. So first, you just need to hold the tools that you want to fix. For example, I'm going to fix my fishing rod in here. Then you can just open your backpack and scroll down until you find this repair kit. So it can restore 3% durability to the current equipped tool per second. You can just click on use, and just like that it will repair your tools. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.